We're so extra. Like we're standing up here with a tripod and everyone is here. I have to do like this. So I'm at Gitano and we're gonna take pictures because this place looks so cute. It looks like in Mexico. So we already changed another outfit, which is like dresses. It's kind of match because all green. Meatball and like watermelon, and they're like 20-ish each. It's kind of pricey for only watermelon, not even a half.
I wish it just bring us the entire watermelon. I was just like,
look at the sky. It's so pretty. Like it's so pink. So I got some tacos from Los Tacos. I tried a little bit and it's pretty good. Yummy. I bought like 10 piece of tacos. Oh, I'm at the Coney Island beach. We're trying to get some food and just strolling around. It's not that cold, but it's pretty chilly. Is it the restaurant?
Oh, there's a bunch. I think there's more over there. But I don't know.
So these are the restaurants nearby the beach. You should look at Yelp.
Let me look at
It was so nice.
Hai guys, kita lagi di Soho sekarang. Terus Caitlin mau sama aku sama yang lain mau foto-foto. And lihat deh. Lagi. Ini behind the scenes ya guys. The things you don't see when.
Gua nggak buat terus lagi jalan.
Tuh guys, kayak begitu.
I'm with my friend Sarah. We got coffee here. It's so hot. We just took a lot of pictures and we about to change our outfit. So our second outfit. Do you like it?
Yeah. I wanted to post a story from earlier.
It's literally so hot.
Like I know I'm like sweating bullets.
Yeah. Look at her. She's like really sweating. We're gonna go to her hotel, change our outfit, and go to her spot. So we have matching bags. Mine's the white one, she got the white one. So cute. Our second outfit.
Well, this is not really my second outfit.
So there's like a fight because the traffic is so bad. It's been like for hours.
What happened?
Oh my god. I don't know, they just a fight. They just a fight between.
Fight?
Not really a fight, they're just like shouting at each other.
Oh my god, I think he's gonna.
See, look.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. So we're gonna have like snacks here in no more restaurants. So cute. Hello everyone, welcome back again to my vlog with Emily. So we are at Central Park. we have this picnic settings, which is really cute.
So pretty.
So pretty. And I will show you guys everything. And they gave us like food, fruits, and like speaker and like drinks, which is so cool.
Cheers to nothing.
Cheers. Cheers to your graduation.
Hopefully.
This is so cute. We got this for free. We got the fruits and like other. Do we got drinks too?
Yeah.
Oh, that's really nice.
We have is sparkling strawberry lemonade.
Oh, nice.
Sparkling water.
So we got the charcuterie as well. It's so cute.
You want a drink?
Sure. So it's really hot and we like try to take pictures together, and it's kind of hard because we don't have like the click or like the apps that will help us.
Yeah, well, we're just using the timer.
I know. Look, yeah. So every 10 seconds I have like to go there. It's like so annoying. Yay! Finally we're gonna eat hot pot. So hungry. Yummy. So we're done eating our hot pot. We're like so full.
I'm in a food coma.
Are we gonna get dessert or not? So we're like so full.
I don't know. It feels like a shame not to get it, but at the same time, I really don't have the stomach for it.
Me too. I'm so full. So we are going to Kins for dinner. I'm just saying, why you gotta be like that? Finally, it's been a while. So we were about to go to Peter Luger's, but it's like so far, and the one in Brooklyn always full. And so we decided to go to Kins. And they have available for 8:45 or 8:30. So we're gonna go now for dinner because we are starving. I'm so hungry. I had diarrhea today, so I'm really hungry. So we are at Kins right now. It's so cute. It's like the old restaurant. So cute. So I got this cocktail. It's really good. It's like raspberry and sparkling wine. And he ordered like much stronger, but mine is really good. Ew. This drink is ew. This is really good. We literally only have like one stick left. It's like a lot here. So full. Yummy, 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 yummy.